Let's consider this question on the board. The question is 2 raised to the power of square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. Looking at this question on the board, the left hand side is written in index form. That means it is written in such a way that a number is raised to the power of another number, while the right hand side is not written in index form. So the first approach to this problem on the board is to also ensure that the right hand side is also put into their index form. Now let's consider this on the board before we proceed. If we have, for instance, a times a times a times a, and we are required to put this into their index form or into their powers, we have to pick one of the alphabets since they are all the same. So that becomes a. Then count the total number of the alphabet present in this multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. That becomes the power or the index. So the answer is a raised to the power of 4. A raised to the power of 4. Okay, solution. From the left hand side, 2 raised to the power of square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. Now to put this into index form, we have to apply this knowledge on the board. 2 raised to the power of root 2x plus 1 is equal to, writing this 32 in their power form or index form, that becomes 32 is the same as 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32. From the left hand side, we have 2 raised to the power of root 2x plus 1. This is equal to, exactly what we did here is what we are going to apply here. So that is 2. Then count the total number of 2's present in this multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 raised to the power of 5. So at this point, since the bigger numbers are 2 and 2, and the smaller number is root 2x plus 1 and 5, we have to strike out n. So removing the mother, we are now left with root 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. Square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. Taking the square of both sides, this square cancels the square root, and we are left with 2x plus 1, which equal to 5 raised to the power of 2, and 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. So from here we have to collect like terms. Collecting like terms, 2x is equal to 25. When this one crosses over to the right hand side, moving from the left, to the right hand side of the equation, the sign changes from positive, which is plus 1, to minus 1, and 2x becomes 24. From this point, we can make x the subject by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. 2x is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 2. So this and this can go to work. So we are left with just x, and x is equal to 24 divided by 2. X is equal to 24 divided by 2 is 12.